In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack for Gmail. Start by opening the Slack website in your browser. This walkthrough assumes you are already logged in, so once Slack loads, you should be on your main Slack dashboard. Leave this tab open, because you will come back to Slack after connecting it with Gmail. Now open a new browser tab. In the address bar, type workspace.google.com/marketplace, then press enter. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install add-ons that work with Google apps like Gmail. At the top of the Marketplace page, click inside the search bar. Type Slack for Gmail, then press enter. Give the results a moment to load. In the results list, look for Slack for Gmail, with the blue Slack logo by Slack Technologies Incorporated. Click that result to open the app page. On the Slack for Gmail app page, find the blue Install button near the top of the page and click it. A pop-up titled Get Ready to Install will appear. Click Continue to move forward with the installation. A Google sign-in window will open next. Click the Google account you want to use with Slack for Gmail. On the permissions screen, review the page, then scroll all the way to the bottom. When you reach the bottom, click Allow to grant the requested permissions. After the installation finishes, you will see a dialog that says Slack for Gmail has been installed. Click Next, then click Done. Once that dialog closes, close the Google Workspace Marketplace tab. Now open another new browser tab. In the address bar, type mail.google.com, then press Enter. Wait for Gmail to load completely. Look at the right side of the Gmail window. If the add-on sidebar is hidden, go to the very bottom right corner of the Gmail window and click the small arrow tab to expand it. This reveals the vertical add-on sidebar where the Slack icon will appear. In your inbox, click any email to open it. With the email open, move to the right-hand sidebar and click the Slack logo icon. A Slack panel will slide open on the right side of Gmail. Inside that Slack panel, click Connect to Slack. A new window will open for the Slack authorization process. In the top right corner of that window, click the Workspace drop-down. From the drop-down, choose the Slack workspace you want to connect with Gmail. After selecting the workspace, click the green Allow button. This grants Slack for Gmail the permissions it needs to send Gmail content into your selected Slack workspace. Wait until you see the confirmation that says, "You're all set." Once that confirmation appears, close the pop-up window. Back in Gmail, your Slack avatar should now appear at the top of the Slack panel. If the Slack panel is not already open in Gmail, click the Slack logo icon in the right-hand sidebar again. At the top of the Slack panel, click the Send to drop-down. At the bottom of that drop-down, click Search Channels and People. Click into the search field and type General. Wait for the matching results to appear. In the results list, click #General. Now move down below the email preview and click inside the Add a Message text box. Type the note, sharing the Q2 kickoff email. After the word email, add a dash. Then type Let's Discuss in thread. This message will be included along with the email when it is sent into Slack. At the bottom of the panel, click the blue Send to #General button. Wait for the confirmation message that says Send to #General. When that confirmation appears, click View. This opens Slack and takes you directly to the posted email in the general channel. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations! You have installed Slack for Gmail, connected it to your Slack workspace, and sent an email from Gmail.